Yeah, Luke Trayfoot. So I lead the global strategic partnerships team at YouLend. We're an embedded finance provider, so we partner with large payment providers, marketplaces, software platforms, banks, fintechs, money movement platforms to help facilitate lending to their predominantly SMB customers, down to the micro end all the way up to sort of a few $100,000 in revenue per month. Firstly, we're predominantly or wholly distributed through partnerships. So we don't go direct to market to SMBs. We work with partners in order to distribute our product via their platforms, and they get a lot of value out of that too, as in the partner. I think what secondly makes it very different is we work with data as being sort of the core construct of embedded finance. So the data that sits within those platforms helps us provide offers to those merchants that are frictionless, very quick, reliable. And so the key differentiator being that allows us to price competitively, give a great service, and ultimately make money move between these SMBs or get access to capital which they wouldn't be able to do elsewhere. Firstly, it's the collaboration. So what are you setting out on the stall to begin with in a partnership? If that's really clear, our partner wants to be able to offer lending to their merchants, there's a need for that. We as a business can facilitate that and the right type of product. And that's a great starting point. I break it into three areas. So the go-to-market alignment. So how does that partner actually go to market with a new product? Have they done that before? What are their proficiencies with financial services? The closer that becomes, the higher propensity for success. I think setting the expectations correctly between those two businesses. Fundamentally, what are they looking to achieve? Yes, ultimately there's always a revenue outcome to why we do these partnerships, but first and foremost, they're trying to get engagement, are they trying to scale their base, are they trying to increase retention of their merchant base, go into more geographies. There's a lot of other things that we can provide value to, so getting that really clear. And lastly, it's the everlasting sort of outcomes that you can get from partnerships. So it's never really a one and done. You do a partnership and then hope it lasts for 6 months. It's always multi-year journeys with a longer strategy in mind of what you're trying to get out of the partnership. Geographically, we're seeing a huge amount of growth in Germany at the moment as a business, and also in the US. The SMB market is a key market for growth. So typically the banks are retracting even more from being able to offer them financing. And so we've got a great tailwind in our industry. Us and our peers are able to fill that void that's being left. So fundamentally, there's still a lot of room to grow.